Today, now I'm going to discuss the question answer series of this electricity chapter according to ICSE syllabus class 8. So I was discussing in my physics question answers. When I discussed last, it was true and false and fill in the blanks, and now today I'm going to start with the correct, the incorrect statements. Okay, so glass wool is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, so it is a bad conductor of electricity. It's not a good conductor. Then positive electrification is due to the excess of electrons. No, it is due to the deficiency of electrons. Okay, positive electrification is due to deficiency of electrons. Okay, when the silk is rubbed with glass, the silk gets positively charged. No, it gets negatively charged because electrons move from the glass to the silk. Okay, so silk has more of electrons, and that's why it is negatively charged. Then a substance with less number of free electrons is said to be a good conductor, bad conductor. Okay, it is a bad conductor because there very less amount of electrons are there to move from the substance to the other substance. So when an ebonite rod is rubbed with wool, they get oppositely charged due to conduction. When ebonite rod is rubbed with cat skin or fur, okay, they get oppositely charged. Then uncharged electroscope can tell the nature of the charge on a charged body. It is a positively or negatively charged, not an uncharged. When it is uncharged, it will tell that whether the body is charged or not. But if the nature of the charge, when it is deducing, the electroscope has to be either positively or negatively charged. Then lightning is caused due to the discharge between oppositely charged clouds and not similarly charged clouds. Lightning strikes only on the high-rise building. It strikes anywhere on the ground. Maybe it in on high-rise building, or it may be on the ground. Okay. So anywhere in the ground it can strike. The electric charge leaks from the flat surfaces. No, from the sharp points, sharp edges, from there only the electric charges leak. Then in series connection of the cells, positive terminals of all the cells are connected to one point and negative terminals of all cells to another point. No, the positive terminal of one cell is connected with the negative terminal of the succeeding cell. Okay, positive to negative, again it is positive to negative, like that it is connected. Not all the positive in one point and negative, all the negative terminals in one cell. No, not like that. Electric fuse does not need replacement whenever circuit gets overloaded. The components of the fuse sense it and put the circuit in off position. No, it is not electric fuse. It is miniature circuit breaker, or MCB does not need replacement. Okay. Electric fuse, the fuse wire melts, so it has to be replaced. After getting a large amount of electrons, the potential of the earth increases enormously. No, it remains zero as the earth is regarded as an electric sink. Okay, inside the house, earth wire is connected to the input terminal of kWh meter. It is connected inside the house. The earth wire earth wire is connected to the body of the kWh meter. Earth wire is connected to the body of the kWh meter, or you can say inside the house the live and neutral wire are connected to the input terminal. Okay. See, either it can be the earth wire connected to input terminal. Earth wire can be connected to body of the kWh meter, or you can say the live or neutral wire are connected to the input terminal. Okay. In case of double insulated hair dryers, there is a great need of earth wire because the case of it is made up of conducting material. No need, because the case is made up of non-conducting plastic. Okay, so there is no need of earthing in this of insulated hair dryer, double insulated hair dryer. Then mica is a good conductor of electricity, is a bad conductor of electricity. It is an insulator. Then a negative electrification is due to the deficiency of electrons, is due to the excess of electrons. Then electrons flow from a positively charged body to a negatively charged body connected by a copper wire. It flows from negatively charged body to the positively charged body. Next is choose the most correct answer. Okay, next is choose the most correct answer. Here, when a glass rod is rubbed with silk, the charge acquired by the silk is negative. A positively charged body has deficiency of electrons. Then copper metal is a good conductor of electricity. Battery is a collection of cells connecting in a series. In case of fluctuations of current of overloading, the weakest point in the circuit which melts and breaks the circuit is the electric fuse. When an electric appliance gets short circuited, then the current from its metal body flows into the earth. According to the new international convention, the color of the insulation of live wire is brown. Okay, which of the following wires does connect the metal case of the device to the earth? It is the then the process due to which an uncharged body acquires electric charges when held near a charged body is called induction. When a disc of GLE, that is gold leaf electroscope, is touched with positively charged glass rod, the charge on the leaves of the gold leaf electroscope is positive. A negatively charged ebonite rod is held close to the negatively charged gold leaf electroscope. The leaves of the gold leaf electroscope will diverge more. A charged body is held near the disc of the positively charged gold leaf electroscope. It is found that the leaves of the gold leaf electroscope diverge more. The nature of the charge on the charged body is positive. Okay, when a positive, the body is also positive and gold leaf is also positive, there is a similar charge, though it will diverge more. The leaves will diverge more. In case of the electronic, charge flows from negatively charged body to the positively charged body. The body which is at higher potential is negatively charged body. When an ebonite rod is rubbed with cat skin, the cat skin develops a charge which is positive. If a material loses electrons from its outermost shell, the material acquires a positive charge. Okay, when a negatively charged ebonite rod is brought near the negatively charged and freely suspended ball, then the ball gets repelled, because similar charge, it will repel. Then aluminium metal is good conductor of electricity. All wires used in electric circuits should be covered with an insulating material. And electrical work done per unit time is electrical power. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Fuse wire is an alloy of tin and lead. Combination of the two materials, tin and lead. A fuse wire should have a low melting point. When switch of an electric appliance is put off, it disconnects the fly wire. The purpose of electric meter in a house is to give the consumption of the electrical energy. Okay, so if out of the two lighted bulbs in a room, one bulb suddenly fuses, then the other bulb will glow. The other bulb will remain unaffected and lighted because they are connected in parallel. Okay, in the household, circuit, the connections are in parallel. So if one of them goes wrong, the others will be remaining unaffected. Okay, So this is the end of the objective type questions of this chapter, that is electricity chapter. In my next video, I'll start with the detailed, that is short and long questions, and then I'll discuss the numericals. Okay. So please go through these questions if you have any doubt, and also do go to the text portion of this chapter, so that you can clear your doubts. And still, if you have it, please do write in the comment box, and please do press the like button and share with your friends so that they benefited from these videos, and do subscribe. Okay, I'll start with the this language of chemistry in my next. So along with these question answers will also be there, and after finishing these questions, I'll discuss the matter question answers of the chemistry chapter according to ICSE syllabus class 8. So okay, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.